What is it?
It's another paintbrush thing.
More watercolors. Wow.
It's not watercolors.
No.
Very good.
That's watercolor stuff.
Yeah, more watercolor stuff.
Holy
Wow.
smokes.
Nice.
And wait till she sees how
Put them with your other ones.
wait till she sees what you're doing with your watercolor.
Do you want to see what other watercolors I
You got some others? You got that for Mom and Dad?
Yep.
We try and stay away from Chinese watercolors.
Okay. We got a lead base.
Well, no, they're just not as good, Fran says.
Open this.
That's for Fran, right?
No.
That's
Bubba.
a different one.
That's for me. Okay, I'll open it. I'm going to open this one right
And I did
now.
not make it.
You did not make it? How did this one happen? How did it?
Santa gave it to you.
Okay.
And these
Santa. Cool. Santa is a cool guy. We saw him. I talked to him again, you know.
What did
So,
he say?
well, he told me he got like some messages and things, and we talked about him. He got a message from you of some sort. Telephone message or something?
Yeah.
I think he got it.
It was a voicemail.
Well, he
I heard
gets
his
those, but
voicemail.
he's very busy. It's not like the old days. There's millions more kids now.
Yeah.
So they have to do things a little different. Sometimes they call out. Santa will call you and say, hey, can you do this for me? Because I'm got really my hands full, you know. That's how it works. And the magic goes on, right?
Now just open your present.
Okay, I'll open.